Like most of our subscription kits, Stamps Only is a premier kit. That means that members receive it before anyone else. And in February, they're getting floral doodles. It's really a sweet, sweet stamp set. There are 21 clear images on this set. And look at them, just charming. And on the back, of course, we're going to give you a couple of ideas, but in the newsletter that accompanies this, members are going to get even more ideas. The newsletter is in full color, and let me show you some of the projects. Well, this large piece is shown here. Now, the way that this was colored was using markers directly on the stamp and then stamping it, so you get just a variety. And aqua markers were used here. You can certainly use La Plume or any of the others. It's your day. On all of our stamp sets, we also include words so that you have a complete set to do some very special stamping with. Isn't that pretty? Combining that banner with that little flourish of florals. How pretty is that? Now, look at this. Talk about radically different, but same stamp was used. Look at what Gail has done. This is on silver linen, which is one of our specialty papers, and surprise of my life, this is on purple circles holographic. I would never have even thought of doing that. And look how gorgeous that is. So pretty. Dazzles in the center, purple dazzles, purple border dazzles to offset it. And look at that great big label has been used as a focal on this gatefold card. Happy birthday. Isn't that just stunning? That's what I think the huge value of this kit is, because you're paying the retail price for the stamp, $17.99. You're getting free shipping, but you're getting more ideas. It's just sort of a no-brainer, don't you think? Look at this. This is using the metallic silver embossing powder. Isn't that pretty? Just for you. Lovely, lovely. On the inside, happy birthday with an isolated little flower and a butterfly. Just works beautifully. Here is turning this one, you can see right here, vertically and stamping Hello Friend into it, a very soft palette, and then using those butterflies to do a background right behind it. Cutting them out, having them right on this, and then it's your day. Isn't that just sweet? Another light finish is this one. Thanks a bunch. Just coloring in a few areas, and it works so nicely. Hello Friend, very, very pretty. Like I said, you're getting the stamp, you're getting the newsletter with complete directions and materials for everything that the design team has used, and members are going to get a special offer on must-have items, very often ones that were used in the projects. Also, they'll get a preview for what's happening in the next kit. And that's what we have for Premier Stamps Only. We invite you to join us with this not-to-be-missed kit. Go to paperwishes.com and go on the right-hand side and just click on the monthly kits, and we'll take you right to Stamps Only, card makers, scrapbooking, cutting dies, all sorts of marvelous kits. We invite you to join us.